Hello and good morning to all the teachers. I hope you're all doing well. I want to show you how to add your rosters. So for example, if you're teaching grade 8B psychology, you can go to your iPad, go to the Classkick. You will see this as your main screen. Go to rosters and you're gonna see this plus button on your right side on top. Click on the plus button. Put the name for the rosters. I suggest to use your iPad because it's much easier on the iPad app rather than the computer as per my experience and knowledge. Okay, so let's write over here 8B, let's say I teach English. Okay, so as long as you understand the subject, that's what matters. Click on add student over here and then search 8B. Alright, and then choose all the students that's over here from 8B. Just click one by one and select all of them. Alright, I am going to send you guys a list of all the names per section. Just make sure that you have all the students in the list over here. Okay, hopefully most probably you will see all of the names over here, but in case you don't see a specific name, you can search that name over here. Let's say Ahmed. Okay, and you can check if there's any missing student over here, right? But most probably you should be able to get all the names just writing the class 8B. If it's girls, 8A. All the girls from 8A should come over here. All right, once you're done with all the students you have, you're fine. Click on add selected students. Your roster is ready. All right, so when you do your assignments, when you go back to assignment, let's say this is my assignment, you're gonna go to assign roster. Once your assignment is done and you want to assign this roster for a class, click on assign roster. Well, it's just sometimes Classkick does have issues, so don't be worried. Let's go again, open the app again, log in. It's good that I'm showing you all the challenges you might face. So it's very normal to have issues with Classkick. So just close it and open it again. Just let it load, I think. Let's let it properly. Okay, so for some reason this is not working right now, but let me just show it to you from one of my older assignments. Let's say in one of the assignments that I'm having. This is my assignment. You know what, let's make a new assignment. Classkick, new assignment. Sample assignment, click on done. Okay, make your assignments, be like, this is my assignment. Okay, and you add your pictures, add whatever you want to add, do everything that's here. Once you're done, just click on assign roster. Okay, so it should technically when you click on assign roster, it should give you all the class names and just assign the roster over there. Okay, now if you're still having trouble with the iPad, make your assignments and then you can go back to the computer, Classkick, open the classkick.com from the computer, and then you can assign the roster. Okay, thank you and have a good day. Please get back to me if you're having any troubles.